Ladybug and spider.
Good, that's lovely.
I can't say it.
Gotta wear bright colours when you go to the zoo. For the
Bright colours?
butterfly enclosure. So
I want to
won't
go
go
to bright colours.
there. If they wear bright colours, they can just lie down all the butterflies and
Tell Lola. Tell Lola.
I'm gonna, Mama.
Tell Lola what?
Bring me any flower dresses.
if you just wear bright colour.
Now, do I have a bright
We
color?
lie down, all the butterflies will come and land on the
She said she doesn't want fucking
Do
owls.
you mean that you?
This way. Oh, Lola Karen is going home. Bye-bye, Lola. Bye-bye, Lola.
5 minutes later.
Okay, just please. A little bit. Just a little bit. And Ate to you. Thank you so much. Go, Ate, go. Ate. See, look. Nice that is. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. It's actually 11:20 now. Nagre-ready kami kasi very exciting. We're going to see Jez, Pete, and Jake. Magla-lunch kami in South Melbourne Market. And dito pa kami kasi sabi nila they're not leaving till 11:30 and they still have to travel. So, we still have time to get ready. So, nakapag-mook up na si mami nyo. I've got this on. I'll just put my trench coat and then I'm good to go. So, yung mami ni Daddy Mike, nakita nyo kanina, she's going home to Ballarat now. But, babalik siya ngayong Thursday. And then, we're gonna do stuff with her Thursday and Friday. Kasi kami, uuwi kami Sunday. Sunday ba? Sunday or Saturday? Yeah, I think Sunday. And yeah, we're gonna go to the museum and the zoo and that. We'll wait na makabalik siya bago namin gawin yan. So at the moment, yung gagawin natin is we're seeing friends. Nakaka-excite kasi magla-lunch kami sa Spanish restaurant. Paella. Yeah. Alam niyo ba si mami niyo ay napaka-multitasker, guys. So while I was getting ready, I was editing at the same time. Ngayon naka-export na yung movie sa ating phone and i-upload na lang natin sa YouTube para meron tayong vlog, meron kayong mapanood tonight. And I've been very proud of myself kasi since Brisbane last week, ay everyday nag-upload ako kasi alam niyo ba, gusto kong ma-upload yung mga vlogs din natin ngayon dito sa Melbourne kasi, I think it's very, alam niyo yung kakaiba din kasi kami, nag-vlog kami always sa bahay, always sa Brisbane, ganun. And I'm very excited na i-share sa inyo yung mga pangyayari dito sa Melbourne. And ayoko namang i-share sa inyo ngayon yung Melbourne na meron pang naiwang. May backlog tayo na mga vlogs. So kaya paspas tayo guys para when these are all out and then start ko nang ma-upload yung Melbourne vlog natin. So, habang natutulog ako guys, yung mga video sa camera, tina-transfer ko sa phone para pag-gising ko ay ma-edit ko kaagad. Ganun lang yun guys. Dapat time management. Nak, pick up those toys lang oh. On the hallway.
Okay.
Thank you, my love. Do you want me to iron the green one too?
Yeah. Thank you. Good girl, Celine.
Well done, baby girl.
Now, this is a mystery M&M one because you don't know what color because there's a paper. But if you want to see all the colors, you just look them up. But you won't know which one you will get if you pour it.
Okay.
Because
It's a surprise, is it?
Because there's a little hole here.
Okay.
This is the little lid that closes it.
Nice, baby girl. So we're just waiting for our taxi now, guys. I think si Daddy sa labas.
Yeah.
With Celine.
So I made this little machine. Well, it's not a machine, but it's a jar of chocolate. But it's a Lucky Dip M&M chocolate machine because, like, when you pour in, you don't know what color what it is. And like, I put how much dolls there. One candies for free. 2 candies is $1. 3 candies are 2, and a lot is 3. I mean, 3.
This is what Ate Paris is wearing today. She's got like a... Ayan, meron siyang red na...
It's like when you go to high school.
Ito kay mami nyo guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko na trench coat. Ayan siya, para warm pa rin tayo. Just to finish our look. Like this. Dito ko my knee-high boots. With my glasses and sunnies.
My sunnies are glasses.
So, ayan lang guys. And then we're good to go. And then ito kay Daddy Mike tsaka kay Celine.
I'm going now.
I'm gonna have a look.
Celine ay naka-beret. Nagustuhan ng lola niya yung kanyang pa-outfit kanina. Actually, an old lady came to us this morning guys. Sabi niya, can I just tell you, your kids are gorgeous. Like they look beautiful. No, this is like this morning. Nak, take that na. Take your crayons. We're going. Dadalhin na naman namin tong stroller ni Baby Celine guys because this is very handy. Even though, my God, ang hirap i-maneuver nito ha. But kapag gusto niyang magpakarga, dito namin siya nilalagay.
Daddy, look behind me.
You read that, Lenny?
Yes.
Big girl.
I told you how to do it.
I know.
This one.
You're a good girl,
I
aren't you?
just do it and don't hold it. And I did it.
Did you do it yourself?
Yeah.
Good job.
Not done yet.
Taxi na kami.
To put it in the lap.
Look at the tram, honey. Can you see the tram, Mama? There.
I'll try how to put it in. Hi guys, so we're nearly at the markets now, and we're going to take them, but they probably might be still dry. So we're going to. That was Daddy's friend. Take our car to. That was Daddy's friend. So
Daddy's friend?
Taxi.
It's your friend too.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, because Jake is Ate Paris' friend, so he's also your friend.
Because you're my sister. That means Frankie too. That means he's your friend too. So because I'm your sister and he's my friend.
Correct.
That's how he's your friend.
Correct Kong.
King Kong.
Gory Kong King Kong.
Kalingo. Gardy la 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 la. A B C D A T H I J J L wanna be. We 2X Y U B Lalui X Y U B. Now remember every series. Now you feel and you fall away.
Amazing, Minnie. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Celine. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, jump. Hang on, I'm gonna close the door. Thank you. Wait. There's this car coming. Wait a minute, okay? Yep. Wait, Lini, wait. We are now in South Melbourne, guys, where we used to live. Pakita namin sa inyo kung saan kami nakatira before when Paris was a baby. Dito ko pinanganak si Ate Paris. Wait for mommy and daddy, anak.
Along
Paris,
the landscape.
do you remember anything here?
Is this our house?
Which one? Which one? Show me.
Can you remember?
What is our house?
This one, honey. This was our old apartment, guys, when Daddy and Mike and I moved in together for the very first time.
Mama,
Dito namin binuo ang aming pamilya.
what do you think? Anyone lives here?
I don't know, anak. I don't think so. Looks like no one lives here, Daddy. See, Nak, when you were little, you were like playing with your walker there. We'll wait for Daddy when Daddy comes home from work.
In here as well?
Yeah, Tita Mimi was here before. Like a week before we left. But yeah, dito guys. Ito, just colored. Ito ang aming bahay. Ang liit nito, alam niyo ba? Sobrang liit nito.
My dad used to crawl inside the grass.
Isang ano lang, only one bedroom, Daddy.
My dad used to crawl
One.
inside the grass.
Only half bedroom.
Yeah, one bedroom and then kitchen, maliit na lounge room. Napakaliit. But we
I wish I could live
made
in
it
there
work.
still.
Yeah, no. This will be like the size of the garage, Daddy.
Then you'll
Yeah.
be out of
Oh my God.
Just for a while.
But kami lang naman ni Daddy Mike before. Tapos nag-anak kami at Paris, nag-move kami somewhere bigger. And Lini! Anak, we used to live here before, Nak. Here, Mommy and Daddy and Ati.
No, where's a baby?
Yeah, you were not yet. You were not in the plan.
That's two babies
Yeah,
in
you-
here.
You were not in the plan then?
When I was out here, I used to try to crawl inside the grass.
Yes.
I like it.
Okay, let's go to the market.
Bye.
Come on, baby girl. The South Melbourne Market is just 2 blocks away. Ang sarap balikan.
I used to get a little, what's the thing? The wheelchair, like throwing the kids around.
Which one?
Kailangan namin maglinya, guys. So, tingnan nyo naman ang linya
Watch
dito.
out. You wanna
This
come?
way. Stay here, baby girl. Go. Daddy's gonna wait in the queue, guys. to
I'll
get us,
call you when it's ready.
Okay. Table. Sorry. I'll take this to. Sorry. Come on, anak. I'll take this to for a walk. We'll see what's in here. After 3 years.
Can we go to that kids shop then?
Where?
That one there.
Yeah, we'll have a look.
That's the one there.
Careful. Oh, look. Ang cute nito eh. Oh my God, magkano to? Mahal nito for sure. 65 bucks for 75 for cardigan. Don't touch anything, girls. How tall are you? Yep, you're stand up properly. 1.1. Okay, Lini turn. Lini turn. Lini is 90. Yay! This Daddy, see? Getting short. Okay, keep walking. Okay, we're coming. They're nearly here. We'll go in the corner. Oi! Oh my God! How are you? How are you? Oh my God, you're such a big boy now. Oh,
Julie, how are you?
It's so good to see you.
Yeah, you
Oh
too.
my goodness.
Paris, hello.
The reunion. Hey, stay here, my love. The reunion. Say hi. Say hi. Oh my God, Jake, you're a big boy now. You're 7. Yeah, go, Jake. Oh my goodness.
Big hug. Oh, nice.
Yeah, Paris is 6. So yeah. Oh, Mike is just there. Did you see Simply Spanish? Are you alright, Day?
Ah, didn't see it.
Ano mo na? Karon lang. Karon lang? Grabe sa kanang timing, Day. What timing? Hi guys! Reunited and it feels so good.
I know, it's been too long.
Yeah, I know, too long. It's too long. But yeah, well, we can just go there. I think Mike's got the thing there. Have you been?
Hello.
You okay, Dave?
How are you? Yeah, good. How are you?
Hey, mate.
Peter?
How are you?
Good, mate. How are you?
Good.
That's good.
You alright?
He doesn't eat. Jones disposed of that bloody
Cyril gone.
French. Yeah, the French.
But yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, vlogger's life.
Leave it 5 times as much.
Nandito kami sa Simply Spanish, guys. We're having the...
It's alright, there's plenty of like little takeaway stores and shit. We can grab some of these as well. Like trying to do like the jam right outside.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my God, I love jam donuts.
I hope it's still there.
I want to die eating a jam donut.
Tapos na kami sa pagkain namin, guys. Ngayon ay hahanapin namin ang aming jam donut. Mukha ng mga jam donuts, babe. Hello, yes, still there.
Oh, that one.
The van, yeah. The truck. The little truck there. Ayan, guys. Ang jam donuts. Like literally that? Yes. Literally that's what I ate when I was pregnant with Paris.
Really?
Every single day of my life.
I'm surprised Paris doesn't look like donuts.
Yeah, I know.
How good's that son?
But she's as sweet as jam. Yeah, how cute. Yeah. Yeah, are you coming? To the hotel? Yeah. Swim? Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're sort of a park.
Where are you guys on holiday or you live here?
Well,
you are?
we used to live here.
Oh, nice.
Just 2 blocks away from here.
Oh, wow.
And this is my favorite. But now we moved to Queensland already.
Oh, beautiful.
I came here just for
You
this.
got to come to my place too. This is my place. Andrew's Hamburgers. Look who came last year.
Oh!
Have you ever been to Andrew's Hamburgers?
Where's that? Sorry, I'm
Park.
vlogging.
In Albert Park.
Albert Park?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. We're
In my
staying in Albert
family.
Park.
In my
It's
family.
$2.70. I think like it was $2 before that. $2.70 na siya. But I'm gonna get pack of 6. 2 pack of 6. The same pa rin yung nagbebenta, guys. Yung may-ari. Ha? Lucky may naiwan pa sa amin, guys. My God, yung linya. Just linya for more. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. Tama na yung boy na isa dahil. Hey, shh. Look at here. Busy sila, guys.
Jones was talking about going
Anood.
MMA.
Talini, Jake.
Yep.
Look at here.
What he does best. The Tonen brothers went.
Wow. Ay, ubo.
Interrupting cow. Who's there?
Starbucks.
Who?
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Starbucks who?
Do you like Starbucks?
Who's there?
Do you like Starbucks?
I do.
I said.
Who's there?
Lenny.
Cow.
Cow who?
Lenny.
Ooh.
Lenny.
I want
Celine, Baba. Celine. Eat like the other big kids.
Now have a look at Jake and Ati. Look.
You're eating.
Who's there?
Show me.
That's not
Say daddy.
Lily. You poo.
Oi.
No, wait, look. You're a poo.
You're a poo. No, you're a poo. That's funny. It's just a hot one.
Actually, a new season of the Ultimate Fighter.
The contender series?
Ultimate Fighter,
Oh, okay.
which is the two girls, Shevchenko and
They're the coaches, are they?
Yeah, it's actually a really good season. This one,
All female.
men, women coaches, but they're all men.
Oh, really?
It's a really good season.
Is it underway?
Oh.
I like the contender series. At the new one coming soon.
What are you doing, Paris, Nicole?
You're such a strong personality, Dana.
Paris?
Yes.
Like there's no bullshit, no nothing. Like,
Right. You've got a bank account to back it up.
Nagubutan ako dada eh. Good enough?
About $800 or $900 million.
just finishing up strong too.
Yeah.
Dai, thank you for visiting us. Grabe itong camera oil. Ang kira oil kaya akong kamera dyan.
Yeah, ako kayo bro ko sa hilak guys. Gabi dyan to allergy ano no? Gabi dyan.
Allergy
Thanks
from
for
more.
having us today.
No, thank you for
By way of Jamaica.
I appreciate it. Guys, nag-uusap kami. Kala na lang kami magkita ulit.
Yeah guys, naghililaka namin.
Oh.
Hindi may alam. Hopefully next year, Dai. Yeah, can go up there.
Sure, I hope so.
Oh, good night.
We'll see anyway. Kuya, gabi talaga ako pinaiyak natin, Jovi.
Yeah, no heart to heart talk.
Anyway, we have to go soon, so yeah. Murag ikaw na lang yung mag-vlog natin.
Good
Wala
night.
nang nag-vlog, guys. Like, we were just like talking. Yeah, talking. And wala na, kalimutan na namin mag-vlog. Yeah, we were just enjoying that one. Because we haven't been together for a long time. Yeah, and we don't know when we're going to see each other again. So we'll be... Yeah. Nalang tayo, asa ba kanina? Si ano is better. Kasi...
Malibat.
Ano na, tulog mo sila dahil. Saan naman nila eh? Are you driving?
Oh.
No. I saw it with my eyes like this. Alright, come on. Hop up.
Oh, who's that on me? That you, Jackie? Oh.
Salini?
I know, it's funny. Like this one was like, it wasn't close.
Like he could have still
It wasn't close, but literally, it was just lucky that I was looking. The whole time I was
quick.
I knew it was coming. I told him early, and I could tell because he was actually looking, he was looking the way that the traffic is going.
You easily get distracted. You can't focus. Jake, we'll take a photo. Ready?
Move a little bit. Move a little bit. Move a little bit, ate.
Watch the phone in the car.
Ay, no more, mama.
See you again.
5. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait, 5.
See you again soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.